Anna. Today's my birthday and also birthday of my eldest sister Gigi. Then we're so sad because it's first time to celebrate Christmas and New Year and especially our birthday on December 28th. Then it's first time there's no have mom in my life, in our life anymore. Because my mom Angie McDermott, she was passed away last September 13th at around 3 p.m. You know what? It's so sad because I really miss my mom. I wanna give her a big hug and kiss. For me, my birthday, Christmas, and New Year is not complete without my mom Angie because my mom Angie represent Christmas. Then Christmas I cry. Now my birthday I almost cry. And New Year also I cry because we don't totally expect that my mom will pass away. Then you know my mom Angie will she cannot call me happy birthday anak Gigi, happy birthday anak. Then I really miss her faces, her laugh, her voice. Then my mom Angie sing me happy birthday song. But now she's gone in my life forever. Then there's no mother to sing. I don't have mother to sing me happy birthday. That's why I'm very sad and I feel hurting. I feel hurt because for me, my Christmas is emptiness, birthday and New Year. Because for me, Christmas is represent for my mother, Angie.